Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Oh my God. Why else? Why else? So tired all of a sudden? We won a clubbing, dude. What do you expect? You went clubbing at a strip club, and you did not invite me. I'm so sad, and I'm disgusted. Get a chore dot. Wait a sec. Just now occurred to me, dude. But where's uh, what? Where's Lion? He hasn't reappeared since level not 20. Not anymore, guys. Hey, he's back. I'm back in the kingdom, bruh. Okay, and we have a new minion to introduce. Introducing Mario. Hi. Wait, boss. Mario's a good guy. Why is he in our group? Yeah, but the mad scientist wanted to make a Mario, but he accidentally put mad potions on. So he's evil. Can I burn this world? What? Oh yeah. Did you notice something of Mario? He's my best character. Yeah, he's my best character because he is a bucket head. Really? Yeah, he is a bucket head. Yeah. Yeah, look. He is a bucket head. And they make him super strong. Yeah. Yeah, he is actually a good one. Oh, yeah. So yeah, he's gonna join our group. Go make so Mario get some. Whoa, Peter. Oh, hello. Can I get up? I'm trying to make a video here.
I'll do my best, Mrs. Elf.
Let's meet up with the plants. Wait. Where's my brother? He should be back now.
Mr. Elf? I'd rather you didn't do any magic. Remember.
He should be back now. They're getting kicked by this giant. Ah! Where's Broccoli? Help me! She stink! Let's get out! Oh, too bad it's time. But it's time. Let's go fight. Oh my God, guys! I can't sit down. Oh my God, I can't sit. God, I can't sit. I can't sit. There you go. There you go. Ouch. Whoop. Yeah, oh no, the animals are coming. Wait for me, guys. You don't want to leave me in battle, don't you?
Hello there, a gnome. Mind if I join you?
Okay, the first one they're gonna go in are these guys. Yeah. Oh no, my helmet. No, get off. Oh, Mario, you fat man, get off of us. Oh, I can't. I need to wear my helmet. You can wear it later. You're not even going in battle yet. Who cares? Oh. Alright, okay, I can do this. Gong, gong, gong. Gong. Don't go on! That means it's snack time! Snack time! Oh boy, food! Food! Oh. Oh, here comes the neighborhood. Yay! Oh, oh, wah! I'm dead. Oh God, that's it. You killed my bud. Okay, that's it, boy. Oh, Swafu! No. Take this. Oh, I'll get him back. Squalor!
Sponge cake, 100 sausages, and that orange.
I thought you said you were on a diet.
Oh, I am.
Don't report him here to get you back. Sweet.
Television set.
How to use those things?
You're on this diet too.
Oh God. Oh God, what fun.
Cheese and onion pie.
Thank you very much, lady.
That's tasty.
Oh, God.
Granny.
Get out the way, I'm trying to kill them.
It's the house.
Oh no, you don't. You're dead. Oh, okay guys, watch out. Here comes Boxer. Don't watch out. Hope you bring your soup, cause I'm about to make hair soup and it's gonna be cool. Cause I'm gonna chew gum with it. But I don't have gum. I didn't buy since the battle. Whatever.
That's right. Don't go to bed till the fire is out. And don't
Incoming losers.
on your head.
Ben, Holly, you get in the tent and go to sleep.
Yeah, I'm dead. That's something. Whoa! Oh God! Oh God!
I know
That's
a
what you
song
got.
about the middle of the night. Would you like to hear it? I'll take that as a yes.
Okay, so much for them. Go in there. Go in there, guys. Oh, great. You see this? You see what I mean? You see, huh? Oh, wait. How are you hitting me?
Because I slowed down enemies.
No! This can't be! No! Okay, incoming! Scanning the field! Scanning! Well, whatever, dude, you suck. I'm gonna go punch these guys. Release the beast! Oh, wait. I'm still alive. Release the beast! Oh no, he's gonna get the meat! Yes, I'm finally gonna get me some hot dogs, bruh!
Please go. Would you like me to go? Yes.
Wait, what? Oh, what happened? At least I can go here. Oh no, you don't. Get off of me! Oh, God! I'm back from the graves. Bok, 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 bok. Die. Ow.
He's come back to eat our breakfast. Oh, a mole!
Wait, how did I die? Whatever. Hope you brought your pie, cause here we go.
Princess Holly, do you know a magic spell to get rid of moles?
I'm sorry, Mr. Elf. I don't.
Oh, the apple. Hey, why are you hitting me with apples? I used to like apples when I was a kid. What? How quick did I just die? Who cares? Who cares?
Don't like us, no. No idea why.
Thank you, Mr. Gnome.
Wait, guys. We've been battling for a while, and I think we're forgetting someone. Banana launcher. Dun, dun, dun. I'm here, guys. Sorry I was late.
Mr. Gnome turned up. He loves oranges.
Incoming. Oh, yeah. Well, I translate that. That means I go first. That's throw. Ah. Oi. Yeah, time to scoop these things up.
Dear, it's empty.
Malfunction. Okay, go in there, losers. Boink, boink. Wait, I don't boink. I only quack. Then go quack. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Oh no, I haven't got the kill for why so. Yay, let's go, buddy. Wait, what's that? Ah, banana! Oh, look! Looks like Team Ducky and Frog is lasting up again!
I shouldn't be eating all this without also eating.
Okay, sending the boss wave! Seriously, only once? Eat my gosh! Oh, assistance! Oh, I've learned this in one of my banana peels. Plant food! Oh, sorry.
I say Nanny Plum is the best.
You've never defeated me. Never. With my lucky bucket. Oh no, it broke. Whatever. You forgot to mean I recharged fast. You know you did. So goodbye. Oh no. Good thing you're here. Wouldn't defeat Mario, that evil Mario, without you. Oh, thank you.
We can't come for dinner.
Oh, you're welcome. For now, let's have a rest. Night.